So in today's video we have dancehall artist Queenie. She went live with Richie Feelings talking about her husband running away. She lied about her face. It was really him. He went away for Canada for how many days, baby on the way, and so much more.
The queen is here, girl power, pussy power.
Never lady, crazy.
The man them too wicked and blood clot conniving. Every day them a choke with a liquid, the cocky I put in our ears, our nose. Nothing but the truth and the living truth. It's no crime, pussy is power. So you provoke me.
I don't want Yvette to come talk about Yvette. No way you doing it, Yvette. No way you do Yvette. Yvette, no way you do you run out.
A pussy power, pussy bring life, pussy a great thing. The man for real to man and respect woman and stop discriminate woman. So I have enough of the discriminated and then get big blame and then they go sing song and I go say a song. Alright. A song for song, wife and for husband versus blood clot song. Draw back one more song. We'll stand it out.
Queenie, what you do? Try clash the way. After the way the bad artist, one connection.
Bad artist husband, and me bring him.
See it ya? Here ya, Queenie. What kill you now? Here ya. Here ya.
But you don't know you're married and I keep on your stuff. Me say, cut the crap. You know, say, my fucking at the done on God, kiss a girl, come. So my car, the girl, oh, slap my car.
Don't be back.
You know, the beast above something. Like a Dutch pop, when I fuck, not the crash. You know, enough the shot. If it clean and tight. Enough the shot.
Enough the shot.
Dewey, man. Get the
time.
Crazy! That's my fucking husband. Bomba clock, we are sang it out and clash it out.
Oh, yeah, the Queenie. Wait, stop planting and do it.
Plan. At 13 days, I not see do it. And last time, I go to cat burn pen, go sit down in a partridge pad in the flat palm my bottom and perform and left out. The blood clot, but me I got a loan going that go sit down. And I want party with him there when I cut my cat him style me 13 days. I'm just hold it like a dress, the different folks, different blood clot strokes. Yeah. So back now. You know, husband and wife been there done that while and I'm on the sorry, a different style me I give them. Him sing the song. Me I complain him say me I witch, me I ditch, me I switch, me I this, me I that, and him not talk to me and tell everybody what the problem with me I'm in here. So what I do? More like a G. So when him do the song, Richie, I said that is an insult to your wife. He make excuse, I do X song with how much song for me do one man to my good, I say do it. May I do a song back for me. He doesn't want to do a song, he want to prosper up on his own because I'm too old and disgusting and 9. So now she hit the blood clot for and 3 years reaching at the sex. 2.5 years in our marriage. I've got fucking enough. So you go like you know suck blood clot pussy a greatest blood clotting and enough girl come on internet come tell you suck pussy. Which is right for me come out as a wife now and speak about my life. Who offended any big thinking blood clot 100 ton of cabbage here smell pussy girl. We feel like you can't challenge me for equal rights and justice. 69 is a long time trick. None of blood clot and none give me suck. No blood clot 69. You suck my crutches and me suck your cocky. Woman and man come.
I got those man, this is the Queenie you talk about one connection.
Him have a wife. Him have a wife regardless of what means a wife. So if you go sing say, people are telling say your wife a yagi bun, I say cut your crap. Girl have to suck your cock. Say no that me say Queenie your wife or your one boy, no him a counteract. Yeah, all you can your blood clot feel you want to challenge me. You don't want me and your bill as one. You want to run away with friends and tell me, so you know what, me have no friend, but you're not building a future with no friend. Last night I eat a 6 or 8 man escort him. I'm just like a jeep and say, look how me live for the Father God. My husband have man escort him from me like me I do him some after I'm going 13 days now with the car. And me just said,
Royal Mobile, do go
5 feet at the minute, the fit, yeah.
The Royal Mobile?
Yes, I'm here them there in Canada, so I'm going to report my car stolen because him don't appreciate whatever man him bill. him not appreciate it because me is a breadwinner, I have the links, I have the potential, the determination. Before him appreciate me and capitalize me, him undermine me. So when I'm going and fuck and have 31 baby mother and none of blood clot pity them and a female England. Every month me hear so one different girl I breed Richie. Let me hear you talk. Every blood clot different. I'm tired of it. You understand me? I don't want to talk about when me say. When me tell him when me say. Pussy for
No, we are
blood clot, pussy no leave me uncomfortable blood clot spirit and me tell him I forgot kill me and name my blood clot body, you know, Richie.
Nobody now eat it. Nobody now go kill her eat it.
You know I burn me last time when I see the man them, I go like them on blood clot proof. I'm like woman for my husband. I say watch blood clot and I don't mind no and do it. Do a loyalties with me and him can't be loyal with me. Because him want 100 pitney. I have one blood clot pitney, you know, and pay the man, and I mean, want to walk and tell people, I'm afraid of her. My wife abuse me, you abuse me, and me abuse you. You work both ways, he's a man where you ball and look refuge and tell people about my abuse and nobody can talk to me. Nobody can talk to my husband. The last of August, when I take him on and hold it and say, do let's pray. Right on the fence. Wait the man. I have enough.
Queenie, but wait.
Blood clot man to my goodie. No man to my goodie. Yes, go on, Richie.
Queenie, but remember saying no. You say you say him going to Canada. They didn't yarn him this to Canada.
No, I never get the Canada visa. So if I didn't get the visa, they have option, they have iPad me and all that tell me, say me bad man him visa through me not get none. But I mean make you get it. That is neither dear nor dear. So the little things that when him said to me, and through my big and loud and awful, him behave like say him a saint. But him abuse me, but through me rough. Everybody know I'm rough. Him not still abuse him give me because I just bunks it off. You understand me?
Yeah.
I have no more blood clot of that. You hear that? Enough is enough.
We need more that time when you hear enough is enough. You
think 10 minutes to breathe from me. 15 minutes, 25 minutes, 35 minutes, 1 hour, every blood clot minute. You know, do not DNA your friend for blood clot, girl. You come tell me about, oh, girl, say, you make it twice a job. Hey, the man do me some blood clot things, so I just make him sell him blood clot soul with me. Because he's an old fool and an old blood clot with Richie. Yeah? Tell him I make me and him go counsel. Oh, me not fight for the marriage and him insult me and him show up for me. You understand me? All heap of things, brother. All heap of bird me word. But too me cussy loud and vulgar and people love bash blood clot me. But me know my blood clot tongue say, speak the truth but forever. Speak the truth but nothing but the truth, Queenie, because it's my truth. Me not perfect in a Richie. Yeah. But the way me love up that man there. The way me nice him up.
A true man. True man for your back.
Me go and show me I perform him stand one side of screw, so me and him walk him there behind him and screw and me all me I say do it darling, remember we married, remember say me I kiss him ass, me I lick out him body, me I tick out him toenail with me. I me listen, the boy style me, but you me know me is a G, me done married. I remember me frightened over my marriage, you know. Me no want no blood clot boy for fuck me and trick blood clot. Me make him trick me in it.
I see my girl, I got shot.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Every week you tell me one different girl I breed. So I tell me, so no, you're the liberty now, no? Me and him sit down in that chair and I need one tree. So him tell me about the girl. This girl live 10 minutes from me. This around the 29th out of 30. The girl said me there Jamaica waste time and I could have been get me stay. This is where I repeat to me as a wife, you know. And him could have been get him stay when I me make him get stay there England. And the girl says, him not come a baby shower and him a waste time with me. So I say, so you not tell the girl go suck her mother. Oh, me not tell the girl go suck the mother because me not stay like you. So I say, pussy, where you take me from? You have a fuck girl, breed girl. Girl come tell us to them breed. When girl fuck blood clot wife and them a side to them all them blood clot corner. Sometimes I them I touch them hide the pitney same way. So a girl for come tell you say you're there Jamaica waste time, here you live adventurous life. We are make money, we are profile, we are build. So my sister not appreciate me. But long run short catch, cause he's an old fool. And him young and him now want me stress about, but him give him most blood clot stress, but to the little comfort with him and the little loving with him and the ramping. Me just say Queenie all is not last. Come and I kill woman and I pluck out them fingernail. I kill them pitney and I do all sorts. So I balance it, Richie. But enough is enough. You understand me?
Queen is enough this time.
It is enough. Listen, I have many qualities. I am demanding and I am a warrior. I'm sweet, I'm nice, I'm caring, I'm determined. I achieve a lot with my husband because I mean him energy and the world love us. But he wanna compete with me. Him say want done my career. You understand? Some feel like them can challenge me. So when I'm doing record with some friends, where him got to them and him ball as a victim, none of them no listen to me. Last time I got the party and see the whole of the man them a style me. So what could you look at me live for see? So do you do that again? Him go England and mix up everybody when mean when come in and mix up with everybody. Make any enemy with them and then treat me bad. You understand? But to me the old blood
I make them shit in your yard, Queenie.
Eh?
I make them shit in your yard.
Thank you. So my whole a lot film white girl comes and him suck her pussy but different white girl come. My husband is not a sucky licky blood clot man. I the truth. My husband is not a eater for truth, but he must suck my pussy because my husband look for me. Cool, me a real man, them have to kill my dirty blood clot. I said, do it, deal with me with respect. If you're going to do it, go and deal with me with respect. Don't throw the words on me on Instagram. Because we're past that stage. I spoke to him. He does it to listen. I come out of hospital, me and him have argument, him still a drag me up. All heap of things. So him not have no remorse, him not have no care. All him want to do a profile me and then call him friend them. And me not intimidate but by nobody. I may say your friend them have girl for fuck and them have responsibility. So when you dump your opportunity, me say do it, come back to England and make whatever opportunity me give me the best. Crazy me now, come back to England. Because you go argue with me about girl on my breed. So you want to walk and breed on my chin blood clot girl. And I know you that none of them are no fear. But me feel live haunted with blood clot that I when me talk them say me this and me that. You understand me? Them undermine me. Through me control my blood clot. Me just deal with it and satisfy. You understand me, Richie?
Yeah.
You have enough. You ever have a wife now and I go sing. People have to do it, you're married or you have to stop give on and you tell them cut the crap. Girl have to suck your cock and whatever. I insult me as a wife. Me sing a song, the plain song. Pardon?
Yeah, Queenie, hear the song, yeah? Hear the song, yeah, Queenie? Make them hear it, because they not hear. Hear the song, yeah? Hear the song, yeah, when this is the Queenie, yeah?
Oh, you married and I keep on your stop. Me say, cut the crap. You know, say, my fucking at the dolly on God. Kiss a girl, pump, suck my cock. Cut a girl, oh, slap my cock. Beauty in the visa, bubble song. Like a dutchy pop, me na fuck, bloody crap. She not good enough.
So when him say, oh, you feel married and a door, so you say, are you also to what pan Queenie?
Am I married and them I say him to stop cheat. So I must fuck the crap. Him hot. So agent girl and this so that is rude, that is insultive to a wife.
To what?
Me and you sing. Me tell you for me and him sing song. You know I sing that song with me, Richie. Him style me have beer people him have the song with and him not tell me and him go around me and do everything and me just sit back like I do everything me tell the man and share it with the man. Cause we're one in it. So I want to thing. Tell them not fuck with me, you hear that, Richie?
Dewey, you're rude. You're rude to the Queen, Dewey.
I'm a husband, Richie, I'm a husband, I'm a love him. But enough is enough. And you know what hurt me? When I'm going and friend them, I influence them. Me here when I'm friend, I call me, I say to myself, but Queen, you have to apologize to the man. You have to learn to apologize. I say, me talk for 12 hours and my husband sit down and him not answer. I beg him, I preach, I say everything in a God book. I go up on my knee and him not care. So how now you got to tell people I not apologize? And which part I not apologize for? The girls that come on the internet, the girls that are pregnant, the girls that commit adultery. I want to kill his husband, man, regardless of my vulgar. I want man to my goodie. Him live some dangerous, listen, some dangerous life. Me not do live no more with it. You understand me? Too married and worse, for better or for worse. I'm sorry, Queenie, hold it. But enough is enough, madam. Me have big kids. That time I hear people tell me know the truth. But me know not come easy. And you can't knock it until you try it, innit? So you don't know what it is until you go in it. But my sister not appreciate me. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I do it tap me in my face and put me in hospital. You hear that? I'm
What you mean?
it. And when I come out, I said, do I come out and you're there to read a chatted man and you come give me a 15 minutes to hug me. I'm so crazy. You expect me for hug you and you cuss me. And I say, what? I'm a hold the blood clot thump and people
Then you would say artist. Then you would say artist.
Then I tell you I'm a hold it. That's why I said the truth is the truth. I have enough, so I'll work on blood clot. I have enough. I come talk about in the war my back. What the fuck you mean by in the war my back? Me no want you back either, brother. So why you think I got some blood clot deep and hard? You understand me? Him not make a decision, him not have a mind I'm on a long time I saw him steer. You understand me? Yeah. Him is a dog team one blood clot back and more and prove to me if he said to me, say, well, you can't tell me what to do. Every girl can go in and phone. It's why I teeth from phone, Richie. At 3 hours I read the man message them. I see the way my blood clot shame. I true me not have no shame, make me no blood clot shame. You hear me, Richie? That's the way the girl talk to my husband. I said, do it. Don't make girls talk to you so do it because you're desperate. Just the way you reason with them and them sister your self-esteem is low. Because do we have a low blood clot self-esteem? Don't mind do it. So when he seems strong for me, I hype me like him no want me. Him I the buzz that game, so I impress the world me like man and nothing till him take it as a habit. You understand me? And through me always I forgive him. He might go fuck girl, I'm a find out and him vexing up on top of it. And yet still me there I agree with him. I want heap of things my dad. Now my relationship not come easy and I'm my husband and I love him and I say, alright, him young. So I want to explore, you understand me? So I explore with him. So I down to her, I give him a lot of opportunity. But it's when him diss me, Richie, my low self-esteem when I not have, I feel it down in my belly button, Richie, I just only sometimes I see some people are bash me. I mean, I say, long live Queen Blood Clot, Lady Gangster. I want to blood clot and I fit it to survive. You hear that, madam? You hear that? Mankind is so unkind in this time. Unkind mankind. Not poor me. Listen, I always go through brass clot relationship journey. I still stand firm. Not do is rude. Sometimes I'm up on the live and me and him attack and him up and shut up. I'm going to say, do is stop it. Shut up, so I start force him to say, shut up. No matter how I talk to him, I say, do not appropriate. So what I do now before him say, shut up, me up and shut up. But it's rude. Him not have no limit. Him mama can't talk to him. Then this moment him and that friend, I set a friend. And him and them vexed and him forgot that set there. So him like a rolling stone girl and a blood clot mass. So when them I say I force him, no. And morals me I teach him. But follow you go fuck how much in blood clot girl and hold it like a blood clot G. Yeah, sit down a blood clot, sit down and chat me with blood clot man. You married to blood clot man, do it. Eh? You never know the vagabond where your blood clot take.
Yes.
Eh? Richie man, nothing from me. You just want to sit there and dead for blood clot. You know, pretty done so you go to school and waste time. If doing I carry me, I lift up 10 pounds. If me not ask do if lift up on him, not lift up on. And through my rough and tough, I'm a born from Jamaica. I'm a born at St. Thomas and go to school without shoes. If do I pack him suitcase, do pack it and put in a car and go still and left me. I have a beg him lift up 1 out of 10 bag, maybe him lift up 2 or 1. Him nah blood clot lift up the rest. Do we have the car drive up and down and the sit and pop off right time? I tell do it if you can go fix it in the know for blood clot fix it. I see him sit down with them blood clot long, blood clot cheesy cocky friend them. I profile me last time. I'm not afraid of no blood clot man.
Queenie, here
me run the world.
You're Queenie.
Any blood clot. You want to see them and I say look at that.
Yeah,
Queenie. You have the decency if you come and say mama why go on. You understand me? I'm just look at it and say, God, look how me live for come to this man go film papers the 10th of September 2 years ago, and by the 16th of November I'm getting papers. And by the 20th of November I'm reaching England. And within that time I'm fly over 20 million blood clot time. And the man say money can't buy blood clot. Look, do we confuse and I know when blood clot wants. So I show him say, my 3 years what I confused, done. All I comfort with him give me and the love and the time. Well, I remember I know me I run from blood clot. Every time me and him have argument over simple thing. Him pack up gone. Me I have a house, me I have vehicle together. You understand me? I set a foundation. So what me I go do? Depend a long-term thing we do I run up and down with friend I escort him and me sit down like a puppy dog and look on him. And them I go say me I go crab him up, call me a tiger. And them way them a deal with me, you know. Call me a abuse do it. So me say me abuse blood clot do it. So after this Sunday when him hold me up in my blood clot chest over. pence. I said, do it. Remember, I just come out of the hospital. Do it. Remember, say you now lick me again. Do it. Remember, say you're too ignorant. Do it, don't do not know you forgot and do it still hold me up. With him too, and I mean, all them I do say, I lick up underneath you, so I now realize. And Richie, God forgive me, and lock up me and kill me and correct me and blood clot. Can't be me. We go sleep with a blood clot pitney. And Richie, yes, it's true, my mother now blood clot involved. Me not want it and dead. You hear me? When me dead, we want to pick out the tooth and mix it up. Oh, I see the way I attack him in Twitter and the man grab me now. I just spin him over in the chair and start scrape out his neck with my finger. Because I have no fingernails, so I just get on my center mass power now and start crab him. And I said, do it. Hey, people wicked still though. I see the man got tag up in friend them similar. I said, look how much man. I mean, as a woman, the whole of them would have seen me weeks ago. I said, Queen, I love you. I know a situation come that one of blood clot them that come up to me. Anyway, I tap my blood clot shoot. Yes, Richie?
Yeah, Queen.
So, when I grab me up, so now I'm spin him over another chair, the passenger's jeep in the jeep. That time the man, I mean, lick him first, you know. I mean, first lick him and him drape me. And the way I drape me, I said, do you mad? Remember your premise and I lick me again anyway. Remember I tore her rough it up. So I see the target when I play a target and that hurt me, that's why I tell the truth. So when I spin him over another chair now, him said front way, so some head hold me and my head hold on so. So I use my hand and I grab it, but trim off him too and I hold me. When I looking at him left pocket, him I want like a pink scissors. Yeah. One like a pink scissors. I'm going to take it out and pack it and jam him right. And him the pan crazy, stop me. Give me the scissors. I'm going to say, pussy. How much time I tell you, say, not to put your blood clot and back on me. Eh? You know, since I just come out of the hospital. One more you got blood clot. I'm not stab you. I'm conscious. It have to end today. That at 2 Sunday I got the 30th of August or the 31st. Yeah? And for him take the car, him trick me. So after that happened now and him said, forgive me scissors. I said, I not give you the scissors. I not go to prison. I said, remember you taught me in my face do it. With a ring for your finger, I'm going to hold it like a G. I know if you see you come and do me blood clot that I want to do it. One time I think I get 10 licking on my face. I said, God, which church me is shitting at? Why so much burden? But at the same time, I have life. I have energy to still speak the truth. I then take me and do me something now. God, beer blood clot me with the satellite, me I tell you. And when the man drive off now, and him go Southborough, no, me I drive, because sometimes I take charge of the Jeep, because I have the scissors. I don't give him the scissors. And I said, do it. I carry go to the police station. Me the police I'm sorted it out because nobody can talk to you and nobody can talk to me. And this is bad. I said, do we get everybody to talk to you and nobody carry nowhere because when you're willing to get somebody, you don't care. And soon see me I got a 100-man police station now.
Yeah.
I love Queenie.
I love Queenie too. Queenie. Love you, Queenie. Queen, we
love you. And soon me, you see, Chief, me I got a police station. Him say, oh, my mommy knows I'm not stopping me, I'm sorry, though. But the way I'm frightened over the man, and the man knows me, I eat that fever and take me for you, I mean, for real. Yeah, oh, remember him in the back of the Jeep, and me I drive now, I got a police station, and I talk, and I said, do me, and you just pray. You see, before I stab him, Richie, I take him, and I said, do it. May you pray. And I said, the Lord is my shepherd, me alone say it. And when I'm done, I said, do you know our Father? I say, yes. I say, you've prayed. I will hold on and him pray it. Right? Me I tell you how I'm trying, I'm done. So anyway, after I'm getting to stop now, I jump on the steering and I drive. Just had a Sunday and not Sunday gone, 2 Sunday ago. And I said, do me, I forgot a police station because this nice out. You're not giving a proposal for nothing. No? You just have chat me with people. All I problem I would do with me not tell me. Anyway. So when him say me I got the police station, him say, oh, crazy my side. So me like I idiot now, jump out of the vehicle, run on to the door where I'm at, but it's a sliding door, come quick. So me
yeah, me I hear here, Queenie.
Pull the door from the front here. From up there, the steering. I soon call it back. Leave me alone. Feet me truth. I'm not going to bust like blood clot balloon, man.
Yo, blood clot Queenie make you speak her throat. Move. I want to call the Queen.
Man,
Don't call the Queen right now.
You
Get to the Queenie.
Him think me gonna cover up for blood clotting, man. Him love disgrace. I love throwing from me and the family indirectly in some. I said, do it, stop that. Anyway, so when him say inside, I hurt him now. From around the steering, I press the car because it's a slide door. So come quick, innit? Remember me old gangster, you know? So by me, remember me genuinely think something to inside, you know. So by the time I jump around to the side of the door now, when me look the man there on the steering, so I jump in the car, I say, what you do? Take me for blood clot, that you forgot some a bad girl. What you think you could have drive or left me? So I start drive now. But in this time, I have the 2 vehicle key. The vehicle them can't drive without the key, the innit. So what him do, him pull up a South Barrow, come out of the car and run through the alley. My mama crab up in face and I say, no, the little girl crab, the little fingernail crab. The man I tell people I'm a scam. Pardon?
I'm back to the crab him.
When you're fighting a plan fight, madam. Not plan, it happen natural. Richard, don't take the piss, please. Let me express myself. Thank you.
You know what
I'm every time. I forgot what I'm confused, Richard. So when me see him do that now and him go where in the alley, I take the Jeep and I drive up beside him and I say, yeah, go where. By the time I reach back at Portsmouth now, him run come take the car because he have the car key. You understand?
Yeah.
So it goes on and that from that me not see him. I block him. Then one day I send him 3 songs, send him some voice note, block him back. Him not call me not call him because my blood clot done. I want to you. Nothing last forever. I was born once, to live once, and with that blood clot once. Nothing last forever. I have good nice time with my husband. I'm still glad me and him married. I have a divorce for that.
So it's
you can't build with somebody and them not bank and you not get no interest. You can't bank with somebody and not get no interest. You understand? Him ag me up. If him talk to me, I say, dude, don't talk to your wife like that. Remember me roughing about when a husband and wife time, it's different. You understand me, Richie?
Yeah.
So all of them little things they get enough now. Remember if me a cuss him awful because him a give me a problem. So me will agree to that.
Yeah.
Move your blood clot, do it. You have dirty man, Ray. I will do that. He might tell me I call him drunk and me say do it. You can't. I want him to rape my husband for him never bring no germs to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up to it, no germs do it.
No, all is not last. But the truth is the truth, Richie, and enough is enough. Me's a bigger man. Regardless, me have energy, I'm hyperactive, me have self-esteem. So regardless, my vulgar and loud and me not have no shame sometimes. Within my gut belly, it hurts, baby. You understand me, Richie? And my husband and him young, me I say, give him time for grow, but him not grow with no understanding. Him I do the wrongs and when me cuss him can't forgive me. It don't make no sense. It doesn't, remember me now, fuck pan him now.
Yeah.
All him draw allegation now, me have man. Me said, oh, blood clot, please. All right, you see him Sunday before me stab him. You know the stabbing coming now.
You stab him?
You know, yeah, with the scissors, you there? Yeah, stab him with the scissors, because me not hide blood clot nothing. You see, before the Sunday when him get the stab, remember me and him a cuss from Saturday night for him give me a hug. Him say him not hug me because when him come to the hospital, me the cuss him. Remember, a man took me in my face, so I'm vulnerable, so I'm supposed to all kiss the cut, the thumb, anyway. So Saturday when me tell him, say him not hug me now. And Sunday, 1 o'clock, I say, really not hug me. I pack my bag and I say, no, do it. I go because no matter what I do to you, I can't crack you. I mean, I understand how you love me. I mean, all time I try. I say, come give me a hug, do it. I'm sorry for everything. This is what I say, do it, come give me a hug, I'm sorry for everything. And him hug me that time, then when I go away. So I go over NCB Bank, over the mall, yes, over Portmore. Go park up in the car for 20 minutes. I try sleep, but I can't sleep. When I drive back, go into the house, I see my load the Jeep. I move out. So I said, do it. Yeah, I move out from me and I tell me after I just sit here, say, bye, you Ray. Same time I look him phone, I ring one girl named Tamika Tickers. So I said,
Tamika Tickers?
Tamika Tickers, thick girl, your pussy clean and fat. Move your dirty blood clot. Anyway, so, but slide the phone and him start fight my feet. So when him start fight my feet, I said, Dewey, me not want your phone, you know. I said, Dewey, me not make you go with the Jeep now, the car, you know, because this is for the family. And if you say you go to Canada, can you say I go to Canada? Canada, me go. And my graduate cost me not get a Canada visa. I said, Dewey, go on to Canada. Because the fact that you have a baby mother 10 minutes from 15 minutes, 25 minutes, I'm afraid. So I prefer you go. So all of that now, when I come back now and see him now, I may drive. I say, I not get the vehicle them I do it. See if you are left out, you not get the vehicle them for go fuck no girl in it. So I drop the things them to your house and then I come out my business. So him said to me, say, if I want to reach before Kent now, him say, where did I go? Where did you go a while ago? Which way did you go? I say, me did I go fuck? Look, somebody for fuck out my pussy. So him say, oh, I attack every blood clot thing. I got him sitting for 8 men. Anyway, yeah, I love QUEENIE. So, yeah, him say, where did I go? I say, me did I go fuck? Him say, oh, me that fuck? I say, do it. I don't have nobody for fuck. You know, I don't flirt around. And no one shit hit the fan. I don't have nobody for fuck. But you know enough man who they want to fuck me. I said, so that's why I come back do it. Him said, you can't be my wife, have my name and fuck no man. So you know that I'm a sweet feel good Richie. Out of everything that little something that when him say sweet me. Yeah. So I laugh. Yeah. This is before him grab me up, you know. So this is after we pray now, I'm gonna grab him up now. I'm done praying. I said, do it. It's after end today. The card is in your hands. What do you want to do? No, I'm so crazy. You say, you know, I'm going to come back at England. I said, do it. It's not about me. The card is in your hand now as a husband. Without you, there is no us. Social media cannot decide for us. Remember, we're all an attack, you know. Yeah. Media cannot decide for us, so we have to get it done and over, because he might cost nothing where him do not please me. I'm here, so, all right. That's when him sit down there for half an hour, 20 minutes now, answer me. So I say, all right, do it. Since as you don't have no answer, I'm driving. I'm going to carry a clothing over here. And turn on the car. So then turn on the car now, I lick him and say, you're really married to me. Go breed 100 girl. And just get up and tell me I go to Canada and expect me to just accept that. It's by the time I said the man grab me. I just have me a single car. You know the car in a Richie, you know the Jeep, you know, but the Jeep coming like a house, you know. The Jeep big and space. Yes, that's what happened. So yeah, so when him grab me like that, remember me have the big old disgrace, you know. So now my head man said, Jesus Christ, the man are gonna let me in my face again. So this is me to him. He said, do it. Remember, you promised say you're not going to let me again. Do it. You're too ignorant. Do it. Don't do that. Why you going to regret it? So I talk him into it, you know, but he not let me in and shake me up, you know. When the man done the whole underneath, you to tender and swell up again, you know. I say blood clot. You know what me do and make me go through so much. But me take everything with a smile in it. So that's, oh no, when my sister, all I want me, I said to him still I said crazy. What you want me to do damage? I said, do it. The one lick me give you have to take it because you told me in my face, do it. So I talk to him in a Richie. And the man silly, you know. You see me see that man, I just put on my center mass power and just flip around upon him and I say him headlock me now. So the headlock him, I don't want him to lick me in my face, you know, me all pray in a Richie. And I said, God, please don't make it. So I saw me see little pink scissors now in my pocket. I said, God said that little, God, that's right here, you know. I got said, give me a little joke. You want your ball over a little joke? You saw me something happened to my face in the hospital?
Yeah.
The face got through 15 different stages, Richie. One time I was out of my mouth, it think like a worse of that river tan. The face black and blue, it swell, then it get faster, then cut it, then put it. The amount of stages I'm going to go through, I say, QUEENIE, this have to be the call out. Because my face and my ID. I'm a second friend. You know, me ever tell people about say him now I'm about. Oh, do it. Remember, you come see me with my family. And I me make everywhere them go, them just a shout out. Do Dewey, and me make you famous. If you respect your wife. If you don't want to be with me, deal with me with respect. Stop slander me with man. The man them not have no good advice. Me tell me say do be and fuck back them and chat to do it. Because enough you to have the opportunity where you get. You're in England 2 years and 8 months. And him fly around 20 times with me many places. So enough little things, you understand me? I'm not perfect, but I'm loyal, I'm determined. I'm persistent, I'm work hard.
I am not left your husband.
No, I'm not want back my husband. God Almighty truth. So the same Sunday, you know, I call so much people for help me, you know, because I know I got anything, I call my brother. I make my mother talk to him. I try everything, Richie. So I call my pastor in England. And the pastor asked me if everything all right. This is 12 days now, my face smash up, and I tell the pastor, you know. She said, Johnny, how's your mother, everything? I said, Elizabeth, and she said, how's your husband? I said, Elizabeth, I tell her the truth. My husband told me in my face, and I was hold it down, and I never gone to hospital, and I buck out and explained to her. And she said, oh my God, Johnny, he doesn't deserve him. I said, I know he doesn't deserve me. She said, no, your face, you have to work with your face. So the repeater, may I repeat it back? The man sit down and say, Richie, I mean, I said, people really different. You hear me now? And you warrior walking, you love warrior. And that's why I believe in that thing that people must say, me love warrior, do it. Don't dare you do it. Don't chat it. Me say, anybody love blood clot warrior. The whole heap of girl where you mix up with them warrior blood clot, they make it top me in my face. Anybody will forget warrior me, because I'm me at the laughing stock, I'm me at the puppy show, I'm me at the clown, I'm me at the mockery, I'm me make the world know you, I'm me mad over you, I'm me crazy over you, but you married to me. I've got your name. He doesn't respect marriage. No matter what I say, do me could go call. Me don't want to go to counseling crazy. But for if you tell him something, improve. Oh, my wife thinks she can't program me, but girl are programming. Richie, just the way I hear the girl them talk to do, me say, do you a celebrity? You're a queen husband, make girl run you down. No, girl talk to you from my husband. Some talk to you.
Louis V. No, Louis V do it. Where you buy Louis V?
Give him phone many times. Ask some of my girl if me no message them. Some of them I talk to them good, some of them I cuss them, some of them I no message them. You understand me? It's so much. And just the lower self-esteem now and behave. I shame me no Richie. I say, bomb clock. Look at me take about then. I'm a husband. Me don't know why this man would give me. You understand? I just lie. I still love my husband, but I don't want to be with him. In the one side I chant. Make the one side I chat blood clot chant too.
Queenie, I know I love you a long time, because a long time I follow you up. But you know that I just listen where I listen to you, because you need to vent. Because when you vent, you get better when you vent. From what you may look at me, I say, I don't like how the queen face looks so high.
I see it, man.
I don't like a queen face the way me happy.
And then you know same do that to my face and not show on a remote. So that me look for and I say, Queen your face or do relationship. Queen your face or you say me in the hospital, Richard, and say them I go cut my face. Me say no, I want my husband, I can't do it take 3.5 hours to come and cuss me. I'm a cuss it blood clot back. You hear me? Oh, you know what, I'm a beard, my dirty skin. Remember, I'm a vulnerable one. Remember, my eyes I'm lit me in my blood clot face, you know, so my eye that view do it. You say I broke your blood clot next to me, I wash my foot and drink the water. You should have stayed at the hospital yard in a car till daylight. You understand me? So if somebody see you now showing a remorse to me, I say, oh, so I'm frightened over a young cocky. A cocky flying on my blood clot head. Me know one blood clot, man, when I fuck 9 times for one day and the next man fuck me 17 times per day and do it younger than blood clot them and him no meet blood clot that. So what kind of cocky me can frighten over?
We
you know
remember
the cocky challenge? Me tell you why. When I fuck me 9 times per day, 9 to 10 rounds. I said, man, this is Richie, I fuck me, I tell you. It's me take one coolie boy after that and the boy said to me, to himself, you know, I expect me 9 times per day one day. And so, what? You should have told me that. I'm going to fuck you 24 times for the day. So you can't fuck me for 24 times and the boy reached 17. Some blood clot, big stretch out crutches, bomber blood clot, all a chat about blood clot, my friend, for young boy cocky. No. I love my husband.
Yeah.
I give him time for grow up. Because I'm friends for certain things, I may give him time for grow Richard. That's why I'm a down to earth woman. But I said the disrespect will come behind it. I'm dealing with it, Richard.
Yeah.
Oh, how you said
Cry with me, I cry. Queen say, one man fuck her 9 times, and next man fuck her 1 time. Yo. Queen, where you come from, man? You know, I'm balling for the balling of Queenie. One Queen wave.
Richard, I'm going to ask you to comment them.
Me know you not see the comment them, but me I see the one of them.
Big up yourself, Richard.